I got screwed over by my car insurance today, and I don't want what happened to me to happen to you, so here's everything I've learned so far to hopefully help you avoid getting in the situation that I am currently in. Hi, I'm Josh, and this is nowhere near my normal content, hence the very captivating hook at the beginning. Basically, the car insurance industry has been a total shit show for the last year or so, especially in California, where I live, and a lot of the insurance companies are actively canceling their own policies. Why the hell? Great question. The main reason is, for the last several years, they haven't been able to raise their rates like they normally do because of COVID restrictions. But now those restrictions are being lifted, so they're trying to retroactively make all that extra money they missed out on by jacking up the prices of new policies. So, to make room for those new policies, they are terminating as many of their current policies that they can. They're basically like landlords now who can charge more rent for new tenants, so they're trying to evict all their current residents by any means necessary, and they're going about it in some pretty sneaky ways. The way they got me was they no longer have grace periods for paying your bill late, and they didn't tell anyone. I've always had 30 days after my due date to pay my bill with zero repercussions. My last bill was due yesterday, and I was like, it's a holiday, I will pay that tomorrow when I'm back at work and being productive. Who cares? Turns out they care now. When I logged in this morning to pay my bill, my policy was gone. So I called the insurance company and they said, oh yeah, we canceled your insurance. I was like, what about my grace period? I'm like, well, we canceled that too. That would have been good to know. I definitely would have just paid my bill yesterday. And like, well, that's why we didn't tell you. Okay, I appreciate your deceptive honesty. Can you please renew my insurance now? Well, we no longer do that anymore either. But you can apply for a new policy that's going to cost a lot more. And here's the new fun kicker. It won't actually cover you today. In fact, your insurance will not resume for 20 business days. So even though we are collecting your payment information today, you will not be able to drive your car legally for almost a full calendar month. I hit mute, let out a slew of obscenities, hit unmute, and asked, oh, why? Turns out there's been an increase of car insurance fraud lately, and a lot of false claims have been submitted, so now none of the companies, big ones or little ones, I've been checking a bunch all day, none of them offer same-day coverage anymore. They all used to, but not anymore. So if you're trying to buy a car, if you need to finance it or lease it, I don't know what you're going to do, because you can't drive it off the lot until it is insured. You used to be able to just go online or call an insurance company, give them the information for your new car, and then boom, drive home with a brand new vehicle. But now I guess you just have to come back 3 weeks later and say, hi, I've got insurance now. Can I have the car I gave you a massive down payment for? So the moral of the story is, if you currently have car insurance that is halfway decent and you'd rather keep it than paying twice as much or going weeks without it, do not pay it late by a second. Turn on auto pay if you can. The only reason why I didn't have auto pay is because my car insurance came out every 6 months instead of monthly, and that was a lot of money to get hit with unexpectedly, so I always manually did that one, and if I forgot, they would just send me a friendly little reminder, hey, you didn't pay your bill. Oh, my bad, I will pay that now. No problem. Now it is a problem. It is nothing but problems. I have got 99 problems, and like 15 of them are car insurance, at least. So that's my PSA. I hope it helps at least one person, and I promise I'll get back to making my sketches and my skits and whatever you like to call them some point this week-ish. Bye!